Assalamualaikum and welcome to the second episode of Business at the Speed of Light. My name is Rabia Gharib, and with me I've got the Strategic Director at Getz Pharma, Mr. Hanif Ajari. Today we'll be talking about different business models for different business countries and doing perhaps a comparative analysis in a critical fashion with those economies and Pakistan. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Still good.
Rabia, one thing that based on my experience on education side, been working very closely with SAFA, and SAFA is now doing the total standard model for all the countries which are member to it. We are well aware of what is the development taking place in the different countries around us. So at the moment, I will concentrate more on the countries like Bangladesh, country like India, country like Sri Lanka, country like Pakistan, and even Nepal as well. And Maldives, they all are the members over there. There is only 1 hour and 10 minutes flight difference between Karachi and Bombay, or in their language you call it Mumbai. Okay? And 1 hour and 20 minutes between Lahore and Karachi. If I will make it a joke, I can always say that if you go and move to Lahore, the central hard disk move over here. You talk more about your food and other stuff over there. और वो माशाल्लाह बड़ा शौक भी है, सुबह नाश्ता करते वक्त ये कहेंगे और दोपहर नु की है, ठीक है. But if you land at Bombay, the real hard disk turn over here, because you find it कि millions and millions of people are moving, millions and millions of worth की economy footpath पे चलती है वहाँ पर, even सोने का भी किराया है. So how the things are moving. Globally अगर देखा जाए तो India has adopted throughout a democratic setup of organizations. They might have also encountered initially the problem which we are encountering, because in Pakistan 64 years democratic setup was confined to, I think, a decade. Most of the area was confined to the army rule or establishment rule organization. So lot of good things which can come up through a true democratic setup has not yet come in. But let this mud to settle, we may be getting the good high quality of the people to come over here. From the business point of view, you know Malthus theory, and we used to study at that time, if you have a highest population, then you are sitting at an atom bomb. And now see how the world is changed. We always used to say that the world around us is changing and changing fast. Let me tell you, that is not true anymore. World around us is already changed. Internationalization and globalizations is the real business model of today. Even the sky has turned into cyber, and cyber has an options of moving 4 dimension of the D. We always speak about the 3-dimensional photograph, but what is the 4th dimension? And the 4th dimension is a dimension of information management. Sharing the information with your collaborative partners, with your competitors, and knowing about your market in which you are in actively is the real asset which is considered for the company to exploit. Because when you are knowledgeable, you can take a very good viable decision in the market where you have to exploit. See the change pace, which has forced the enemy to convert into adversaries. And adversaries are converting themselves into competitors. And the competitors have now learned how peacefully coexistence is the real theory of the world. Knowledge about each other, strength and weakness, and doing the synergetic collaboration has become the part of the game today. Pakistan is having 170 million populations and very charged, honest population. If you see, I can just tell you, whenever anything happened to Pakistan, we are more than united. We are more than single family. So we have an instance like this. But there is nothing like a development on the soft side as well. Education sector, which should have been the priority of us, was never been there. if I compare it into the SAFA countries, and see even till today that we are not contributing anything. 45 billion rupees have been provided, and this time they found it very conveniently that provincial autonomy has been granted for the first time in the country, which our neighborhood have already granted after the independence. So they are going to take this responsibility and they are going to arrange that thing from their own internal resources. But hardly you will find these sectors have been taken care. Still, most of our population consider the education to the female side is a crime. And if you just see, female are, whatever they are getting the education, are not allowed to exploit into the experience world. हालांकि they are the real server of any family, क्योंकि they are the nursery who gives a birth to a good child and who can mold a good child to a good professional. उसको दूर रखा जा रहा है इन चीज़ों का. As a result, you will notice that in this country lot of gossip parlors have started. कोई 3 बजे से 4 बजे का दर्ज दे रहा है, कोई 5 से 6 का दर्ज दे रहा है, 7 से 8 का दर्ज दे. This दर्ज is really costing the pocket of an husband, because वहाँ पे वो कपड़े पहन के नहीं जाया जा सकता. And if your wife is really versatile and attending 5 or 6 times, you can understand the paucity of resources at your home. हम बहुत ही hypocrite बन गए हैं, ठीक है. Where see there is an hardly a time. If you compare India and Pakistan, the so-called middle class society in India 10 years back was 3% of the population. Now it is 21%. So the poor are turning into middle class are turning into first class. When we used to say कि यार India में old model cars are available, now I am telling you one thing. If you just analyze Sally survey in SAFA countries, and young qualified chartered accountant or young qualified cost and management accountant or a good MBA from Institute of Management Ahmedabad or Nirma University or Bombay University, they find the job. ये कहते हैं CTC, cost to the company. They take very nicely the cost of the car, telephone, BlackBerry. Very nice formulation, which is adopted by their taxation authority as well. 4 million per annum is, I'm conservative if I say like this. And an experience over 5 to 10 years period time, you will find it between 7, 9 million or more than 10 million. Plus their salary is incentive oriented. You produce the result, so they can also get the incentives over there. So at the moment, if you will see in India, you will find in the professional world, they have a hardly time to speak to you what is happening politically between India, Pakistan and here and there. They talk about latest technology, business development and their export, and they feel like proud to have a good development going on, because just see the US economy and Indian economy is growing since last 3 years 8.8%. This is a tremendous growth one can experience. So they feel proud. Everybody has adopted these 4 or 5 KPIs as their own KPIs. Yes. Very recently a survey came that in the development of India 8.8% economy, what is the biggest contribution? You know, you will surprise, that is related to your profession. 3.5% is coming from internet, e-commerce. आप हमारे यहाँ इसको प्लेस कर लीजिए. People are still afraid of you can, हाँ, बहुत ही difficult है. And these hackers are working really, आप अगर अंदाज़ा लगाएं तो independently in this country. दूसरा ये कि we never respect intellectual development, because in any university you go there, in any good library you go there, you will find the Xerox copy of any good book available over there. Where they, as a part of the education, what they did, top class publishers in the world, they given them highest equity of printing the book in India and marketing the India. Now there are two versions available of any good book written from Western or American resource. Indian version and country of origin versions are available. There is a site in India called bookadda.com. I will tell you and request you to go there. You will find millions of books, and there is no transportation or freight charges. You just order them 2 days, the book will be available at your end. And this bookadda.com and other type of the such, you can say net sites, have established a digital library as well. So you can go and scan the book like this. Why they did? Because there is a market in India for the good books and other things. And we are getting those books in Pakistan through certain leading publisher in this country at double of the price than what one have to pay. थोड़ा एटीट्यूड की भी बात है. In Ramzan, even though we all are talking that Pakistan is an inflation-oriented economy, 25% of inflation is prevailing in food item. 800 रुपए का एक आदमी पिज्जा खा जाता है, 400 रुपए की किताब नहीं लेगा, because it has nothing to do. उसको इम्पोर्टेंस यहाँ की है